So once we've kind of brainstormed general problems, then we get to the real consideration, which is considering personal problems and stories. And we ask the participants to think of a problem, challenge, or difficulty that they have faced in the past and overcome, or that they currently face, a problem that they are currently worried about. And I'd like you to think about how you would answer this question, and maybe make a note of an incident that comes to your mind, that surfaces in your mind. Then what we do is we ask, thinking about this situation, this challenge or this problem, we get the participants to think about what's the feeling, what is the emotion that you feel when you remember this challenge, this issue. And can you make an image with your body that represents this emotion that you feel? And can you make a sound? And by doing this, by making images and sounds, we're able to form groups of people who are forming similar images and similar sounds. And I'll give you an example. I call this the circle turn. And this is how it works.
Turn it.